Hello everyone, welcome back to the Gbyte mobile channel. If your iPhone screen displays a white logo or is black and unresponsive, don't worry. This video will guide you through troubleshooting. A white screen can be caused by a software glitch, system crash, or other issues after an update. Fortunately, if it's a system problem, we can fix it without incurring hardware repair costs. Method 1. Force restart your iPhone. This is a common and effective method. First, press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. This will restart your iPhone, and if the problem is caused by a temporary software glitch, it may return to normal. If the problem persists, you can try other methods, such as repairing your iPhone using a computer. Method 2. Repair your iPhone using iTunes. First, you need to connect your device to your computer. Similar to a force restart, press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally press and hold the side button until your phone enters recovery mode. Then open iTunes, which will recognize your phone in recovery mode and prompt you to update or restore. Select Update to reinstall the system. However, using iTunes may take a long time or encounter errors. If you don't want to use iTunes to restore your phone, I strongly recommend using the Gbyte iOS system repair tool for system repair. Method 3. Using the Gbyte iOS system repair tool. This tool is designed to repair various iOS issues, including iPhone white screen problems. The download link is in the video description. First, the software can enter or exit recovery mode for free. We need to enter recovery mode now, so click the Enter button. Then open Gbyte and select Start Repair. Choose Standard Mode to avoid data loss. The tool will download the correct firmware and repair your iOS system without data loss. After the download is complete, click Start Standard Repair. The Gbyte iOS system repair tool will begin repairing your iPhone, which will take approximately 5 to 10 minutes. After the repair is complete, your phone will be back to normal and your data will be intact. Now you can use your phone normally. Method 4. Contact Apple support. If the above methods are ineffective, it may be due to hardware damage. In this case, you can choose to contact Apple support for a professional diagnosis. They can check for any missing hardware. Therefore, you will need to visit the Apple website to schedule further assistance. Okay, that concludes today's tutorial. Hopefully, you have now resolved the white/black screen issue. If you found this video helpful, please like and follow us. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.